your girl Dalou. Today I am going to show you how I repurpose the items in my master bedroom and throughout my house to give the bedroom a makeover. This episode I'm gonna call it Shop Your Home for a New Look, which is my favorite place to shop because let me tell you, I save tons of money whenever I shop my home for a new look. Don't get me wrong, you guys, I love the previous look of my bedroom. I feel so blessed and so thankful to God that every single night I get to lay down in a beautiful bedroom like that. But at the end of the day, your home is what you make it. So be you, do what makes you happy. Before I get to the details of what went in the bedroom, let me take this moment to say if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share Glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. If you are interested, please subscribe right now and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for coming back today. Now let's talk about what I did and what the room used to look like. It is going to be a wild ride, buckle up. This is what the room normally looks like. It is very pretty, but you know how it is, we get bored from time to time. Now we are going to flip the bed and repurpose the items. The first thing that I did was turn the bed the other way. Just in case if you forgot already, there it is. Then I cleaned the room and deep cleaned the rug. The vacuum that I am using is from Amazon. It is alright, it was very affordable. Then I removed the mattress so I can put a fitted sheet on the back spring. I started doing that a year ago. I used to do bed skirt in the past. I don't know what happened to that. I'm definitely gonna go back to it. I think it's gonna work better for me. And then I'm using my Hoover carpet cleaner to wash the rug. My favorite cleaning product I have purchased so far. Such a great tool. It washes the rug and then it dries it. If you have a dirty rug, definitely give it a try. You will thank me for that. I purchased it from Amazon. When I purchased it, I also got the deodorizer and the room smells so good, you guys. Priceless. You can see all the dirty water that came out of the rug, and the other compartment has the clean water. Hopefully you guys see that because I know it's not clear. My fitted sheet looks good on both the back spring and the mattress. Now we're gonna go with the flat sheet. Guys, my flat sheet is super duper wrinkled. I could have thrown it in the dryer, but I didn't. It is a bamboo fabric. Bamboo fabric loves to wrinkle. But I really like it because it is so comfortable and so soft. But what I wanted to show you is how I'm using this thing from Amazon to help me lift up the mattress, so when I'm making the bed it's easier. My mattress is so heavy, I needed that, so the minute I saw it I quickly purchased it. So you might need it as well. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Then I added my quilted sheet, coverlet, however you want to call it, from the same company. It is bamboo as well. It's the softness that I like. Then I added my sleeping pillows and my duvet. Everything is from Eptem. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link for you in the description box. As I mentioned, they are made out of bamboo fabric. They love to wrinkle, but they feel really good. Then I ironed and steamed as much as I can. You can see it looks decent now. I added my luxurious comforter from Amazon. I folded in 4. Let's talk about the pillows on the bed, all 20 dozens of them. All of these pillows have been featured sometime on my channel, except for the small lumbar one in the front. These are my investment pillows, you guys. I have been saying that over and over again. If I am creating a super glam room, I don't feel like the room is complete without them. I have two sets. I have this set and I have another gold set. I bought them on the Gallery website during the holiday season. A couple of years ago, I only paid maybe like $40 for them on clearance. So definitely wait for the holiday season to see what Gallery have. I have two of them. The other one is on the other side. In the middle, I have this pillow from Home Goods. It's not new either. I got it last spring. You guys have been seeing it. It is simple but very elegant. I love the design pattern. Definitely a classic. Then I added another set of pillows. I don't remember where I got them from because I purchased them so long ago, either Macy's Backstage or Home Goods. It's like a velvety type of suede fabric, very nice. They are simply there to pull out the gray from the comforter and the two throws. And the star on the bed. Well, there are multiple stars on the bed. I'm gonna call it the superstar on the bed. The lumbar pillow. I just got it from Home Goods literally this morning for only $40. Guys, I always say that every year, if you like glam, super glam stuff, this is the time of the year you need to start collecting them because this is when they have more of them at Home Goods. Otherwise, you're still gonna find glam stuff, but it's gonna dial down a little bit. I wanted to have more layers, so I added a throw/blanket right on top of the comforter. It is super luxurious. I love it. Of course, it wasn't enough. I added another throw. You guys already know this one is from Gallery, and you guys have been seeing it in so many different places in my house. This love seat that has been in my living room for the past 6 years has found a new zip code. I don't know how long it's gonna stay here, but it is here. Just in case if you're wondering, Dalou, what do you have in your living room now? The gray accent chairs that used to be in here are in the living room now. Everything works out perfectly. The two white pillows on the love seat are new. I love them. They are so sophisticated and look so expensive. The gold pillow cover is not new. I got it from Amazon. But you know, guys, sometimes you have to be a little bougie. Last month when I was in Canada, I visited the Jo Malone store in Toronto. I got myself a fancy candle. It is the grapefruit scent. Where else that I'm going to use it other than in my bedroom? Next to it, I have a gold stone from Home Goods. This is new. And my big, beautiful, super glamorous jar from Inspire Me Home Decor. Link for the jar will be in the description box, along with everything else that I purchased from Amazon, including the furnitures in this bedroom. My exotic flowers, you guys have seen them, are also from Home Goods. My dresser is on this side now. On top of it, I have the mirror that used to be on the nightstand. Now it is on top of the dresser. A big beautiful bowl that is new. I got it from Home Goods a couple of days ago. I added some books. The one at the bottom is from my husband's office and the one on top is from Amazon. I placed them this way because the book on top is a summer book. The sculpture is also from Home Goods. This wall is huge, so I added a big wall art / mirror. It used to be in my living room. Over a year ago, I removed it. I purchased it from Burlington. I've been wanting to get a big mirror for this room. Finally I did. I purchased this one from Home Goods. The price wasn't bad at all, only $100. I added my beautiful curtains from Nightstand. These curtains used to be in my family room. This is my side of the bed. I have a beautiful, gorgeous tray from Home Goods. This one is new. I love the acrylic accent, and of course it's a mirror at the bottom. The two books at the bottom are from Amazon. They are not new, and the book on top is from Hobby Lobby. I purposely selected this black book to put on this side because on the other side I have the Echo Show, which is in black. Although it is an electronic, I wanted the black to be reflected in here a little bit. Look at this lamp, you guys. Do you see that? Oh my goodness, gorgeous. So beautiful. It is very tall too. I just got it from Home Goods. I'm in love. The inside of it is super duper pretty. It has that gold fall finish. At night, the gold reflects on the light. So pretty. This is my husband's side of the bed. In there I have this wall mirror, but I always use it as a tray because I really like it as a tray. It is super cute. The mirror is not new, but this is the first time I am using it on top of the nightstand. On the tray I have my Echo Show, of course from Amazon. I can never get over how beautiful these wall arts are. Super duper beautiful. My favorite wall art in the entire house. You guys remember where they used to be in the bedroom, right? Now I have them placed on the side of the bed and I love it. In the middle of the two wall art is my old mirror, but super cute, from Burlington. Another great piece as well. You know, I always like to keep a bar card in my bedroom. Why? For a couple of reasons. I have extra bar cards. 2, they come very handy on date night. 3, I like to select my glasses for the moment, just in case if my husband is the one in charge of date night, he will know which glass that I want to drink from. I bought these gorgeous wine glasses from Hobby Lobby last year, and under the wine it's a silhouette from Inspire Me Home Decor. Everything that I purchased from Inspire Me Home Decor will be in the description box. I kept the bottom very simple with just these 2 things. I'm just going to remove the flower that was on the nightstand and put it on the bar card instead. My husband doesn't mind it, but it's just a little bit too high. And then I moved the bar card next to the window. Look how pretty it is in front of the window, you guys. Gorgeous. I really love it. I'm glad that I did that. Oh, I want to show you guys something about the curtains. Remember how I was telling you guys how the curtains were way too heavy? They were dragging down the rug. I removed the second layer. Now they are much better. Also, these curtains are 108 inches. They are perfect for downstairs, but way too long for up here. Look how I tucked them in. So now I am able to use them without them dragging on the floor. And guys, look at my fall view, gorgeous. And then I moved this table with the flowers on this side of the sofa instead to create a beautiful flow throughout the entire room. And by the way, this small table is from my set of nesting table from Homesteads. You guys have been seeing them in my family room. And this is the side where the bar cart used to be. It doesn't look as busy. Last but not least, the two mirrors that used to be on the side of the bed, I placed them one on top of another in here to create a beautiful long selfie mirror. And I also love it how everything is being reflected on the mirror. In addition, it is right in front of my closet and the bathroom. On the wall next to the mirror, I have these two wall art. These are new, they are from Home Goods. Guys, I'm gonna need you to go in the comment section and let me know what you think about my bedroom makeover. What do you think about the new setup? How do you like how I rearrange the old items? And please remember to share it with a friend and on your social media pages. One last thing, before you leave, make sure you hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.